This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming essentials. The device has at least 50% battery and the latest iOS installed, because system updates often fix authentication bugs. Once done, remove any case or screen protector that might cover the true depth camera and visually inspect for cracks or debris. Next, sign into settings and verify your Apple ID and device passcode work. You need those to re-enable Face ID and to reset settings without getting locked out. You now dive into the core fix. Open Settings, tap Face ID and passcode, and authenticate with your passcode. This prevents accidental changes. Once authenticated, tap Reset Face ID to wipe corrupted biometric data, then choose Set up Face ID and follow prompts. Move your head slowly through 2 full rotations so the true depth camera captures different angles. Make sure lighting is even and the background is uncluttered for accurate mapping. Once the new profile completes, restart the device to commit changes and immediately test unlocking, App Store, and Apple Pay to confirm Face ID functions across uses. If Face ID remains disabled, use Settings General Transfer or Reset all settings to remove system conflicts without erasing data. You will re-enter Wi-Fi and passwords. Finally, if problems persist, get Apple support or a Genius Bar appointment. Face ID failures can be software or true depth hardware related, and technicians can run diagnostics.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.